Vacuum cleaner molds often require complex shapes to meet functional and aesthetic requirements. Products often require specialized features such as curves, deep holes, and narrow slots. Manufacturers utilize specialized equipment and processes to meet these specialized processing requirements, resulting in high-quality vacuum cleaner molds and products. Selected high-strength alloy mold steel is forged to enhance toughness and prevent deformation over time during injection molding. A 5-axis machining center precisely mills the body cavity, maintaining a tight tolerance of 0.005 mm for key areas such as the suction port and filter mounting slot. Moldable sealing ribs are built into the mold to ensure airtightness at the molding. Equipped with efficient cooling water circuits, the mold accelerates part finalization. After assembly and commissioning, mold trials are conducted to verify the surface smoothness and structural accuracy of the body, ultimately creating a tailored molding mold for high-performance vacuum cleaners.